Why learning AI now matters more than ever. AI is not coming in the future. It is already here. The real question is not whether AI will change the world. The question is who will adapt and who will not. In the past, new technologies helped people work faster. AI is different. AI does not just speed up tasks. It changes how decisions are made. From writing emails to analyzing data, AI is quietly becoming part of daily work. AI is not replacing everyone, but it is reshaping every role. People who understand AI will work faster, they will make better decisions, and they will focus on higher value work. Those who ignore it will not lose their jobs overnight, but they will slowly become less relevant. Many people say, "I'll learn AI later." But technology does not wait. The best time to learn AI is before it becomes mandatory. Early learners don't just know the tools, they shape how those tools are used. Learning AI is not about becoming a programmer. It's about understanding how to ask better questions, how to evaluate answers, and how to work alongside intelligent systems. In TI, era thinking clearly matters more than ever. Learning AI is no longer optional. It is becoming a basic life skill, like reading, writing, or using the internet. Those who start now will have choices. Those who don't may not. AI Laboratory. Understanding AI. Shaping the future.